Hello boys and girls. I just wanted to make sure that we fully understood how to do subtraction before we move on, and make sure that we can remember all of the steps with regrouping and everything that we need to do in order to properly subtract. So we're going to start with this problem, 156 minus 94. 156 minus 94, the first thing I want to point out is my bigger number is on top. That is a big rule for subtraction. Always, always have the biggest number on top. The next thing that I want to point out is that we always start in the ones column. Okay? We never start over here at the ones place. We always start in the ones column. Okay? So, starting in the ones place with my bigger number on top, I just start subtracting. So I go 6 subtract 4. Is there enough in 6 that I can take 4 away from it? And there is. So 6 take away 4 gives me 2. Now, after my ones column is done, I go to my tens column. Now in the tens place, I say, okay, I've got 5, take away 9. Can I take 9 away from 5 things? Let me think about that. If I have 5 dots here, can I take 9 away from that? There's not 9 to be taken. So I can't take 9 from there. But you say, hey, Mrs. Shaw, I just switch it around and do 9 minus 5 instead. Nope, you cannot do that. These numbers have to stay where they are, and you have to regroup. So what I do is I borrow from my hundreds place. I'm taking 100 away from my hundreds place, taking it away, and I'm giving it over here. So now I have 15 minus 9. And because I took this 100 away, I have 0 hundreds now. So 15 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 6. Okay, so there was a few things, let's review, that we needed to remember from this problem. First, we had to make sure that our larger number was on top. Second of all, we needed to remember to start in the ones column. And then we had to make sure that we weren't taking more numbers from a number that we couldn't. Like with 5 minus 9, there's not 9 to be taken. We have to regroup. We have to borrow. Your moms and dads have probably remember hearing it called borrowing, and you've heard it called regrouping. Okay? What all you're doing is you're taking away from the hundreds, and you're giving that to the tens place. So now you've got 15 minus your 9 to give you your difference of 62. Now remember, the word difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay? Let's try one more problem and make sure that we understand it really well. Let's do $264 minus 81. Again, my bigger number's on the top, and I'm going to start subtracting in my ones place. Okay, 4, take away 1, gives me 3. 6, take away 8. There's not 8 to be taken. There's only 6. I can't take 8 away from 6. So I must regroup or borrow, and I've got to take it from my hundreds place. So I'm going to cross out that 2. It's going to become only a 1 for the 100s place, because I'm giving the other 1 to my tens place. Alright, so now I have 16 take away 8. That's much easier. My difference is 183. Okay, if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. I hope you the best.